may TV. Last time! Hi to the vlog one last time. Say hi to the vlog, Aaron. Say hi to the vlog one last time. Say hi to the vlog. Hi! 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 Yes! Yes! Say hi to the vlog. Pre. Maging! Ay! May officer pala dito! Ano, muntik na malate?
Look at my hair color.
Ay, perfect. Tingin naman po. At may nagkulutan pa rin nangyayari dito. Last vlog na po ito.
Ay, di ba lang? Ito ako ka.
Hi vlog! Hi ka naman sa vlog. Tingin ka na naman ba sa vlog?
Wait lang!
Pag sanay ka, sisigaw ah. Mars!
Ay, nasa taas siya.
Pag sanay ka ba? Hi! Kamay na kayo sa vlog. Ano ba yan? Bye-bye, Faith!
Mamimiss kita, friends.
Aww. Uy, huwag kayo tumakbo ba? Anong fun run? Karipasan? Thank you, Lord.
Business Administration. School of Management, College of Business Management and Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. We have 19 candidates for graduation. Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
By the powers vested in me by the Board of Directors, and as President of this institution, I now confirm your degrees with all the honors, rights, and privileges, as well as the responsibilities, duties, and obligations appertaining thereto. My congratulations.
Franz Charles A. Mann. Rose Dayan T. Natividad. Kim Alte Macaras. Nicole M. Malabuyo.
Diploma check. Sige na diploma.
Michael F. Tao.
Patingin ng diploma. Now we rise into braver skies with the sun against the side. Step every forward.
masasabi mo may graduate ka ng anak?
So proud of my son. So happy. Thank you also. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day. Yeah. Journey Routers. Ano po?